Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Panasonic GH5, and now I'm gonna show you all you need to know about sound output feature in your settings. So first open the menu, then find here the video settings, and here you have sound output feature, sound output option, and here inside we have real-time and rec sound. So this feature allows you to choose how audio is outputted from the camera during recording or the playback. Here is, for example, we have real-time and rec sound. As you can see here, we have explained it, but I will try to explain it more. For example, with real-time, with this setting, the camera outputs audio in real time as it being recorded. For example, this means that if you are using headphones or monitoring equipment connected to the camera, you will hear the audio as it's being captured, which can be useful for monitoring the quality of the recording as it happens. But rec sound, so when this setting is selected, the camera outputs audio from previously recorded footage during the playback. So this means that when you review recorded clips or footage on the camera, you will hear the audio that was captured during recording. It allows you to listen to the audio playback without having to transfer the footage to another device. So essentially, real time is for monitoring audio during recording, while rec sound is for listening to audio during playback of recorded footage. Choose the option that better suits to your needs right now. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye!